friends, welcome back to my show. My name is Shreya and from MITHRASANGAMA Film Institute. So today's topic is cinematography. So first point, MFR introduction classes, 10 minutes. Second point, cameraman or faculty teaching theory class. Third point, originate and developing the concepts, camera details. Fourth point, negative camera details. Fifth point, details of the basic camera. Sixth point, study digital cinema and technology. Seventh point, red camera usage and operating systems. Eighth point, lenses usage and maintaining. Ninth point, red MX, red Epic, red Dragon, Alexa XT, Sony F6, Sony F65, Canon C7, etc. 10th point, realize the cinematography production for any films. 11th point, plan and manage the films and media pre-productions. 12th point, establish the creative visions and screen productions. 13th point, direct cinematography for screen production. Wow, such a good sets for cinematographies. Cool. So these are my few tips about cinematography. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel and please click the bell icon. Thank you for listening to me.